Hello and welcome back, and in this video we are going to see these exercises. There are 3 to 4 exercises here, and we are going to create the 2 arrays and we want to join them. I mean, if there are more than 1 arrays and if you want to join their contents, how you can do that for the 1-dimensional array and for the 2-dimensional arrays. So for the different dimensional arrays, how we can do that we are going to see, and there are some exercises related to the data type of the arrays as well, so that we are going to see. So let us see first question, which says that create 2 arrays which are of 1-dimensional and then join them. Okay, so we are going to do that. So let me just do it. Import numpy as np. Okay, and then we can do, like, we can create first array1 is equal to np dot array, and here I can do 1 2 3 4 5 elements in the first array, and you can mention the d type as I4, which means 32 bit integer, and then array2 is equal to np dot array, and here you want to provide the another set of elements 10 20 30 40 and 50, and then you want to provide d type is equal to I4, which is 32-bit integer. So these are the 2 arrays which I have created, and now I want to combine these 2 arrays. So to combine these 2 arrays, the numpy provides a method which is known as concatenate. So with the help of that method, we can combine the content of 2 arrays. So let me show you how we can combine it. Array3 is equal to np dot concatenate, and then we can do array1 arr1, then comma arr2. You need to put this inside, these kind of brackets which are used for the array. So array1 array2, you can put both of them inside this, and then there is another argument that we will discuss later on. So let me run it, and now let me print it. Print array3. So let's see how does it print. So it will add the content of both the arrays, array1 and array2, and it will display it. So you can see 1 2 3 4 5, and then 10 20 30 40 and 50. So this all has been printed by this particular piece of code. Now let us see the other question. What will be the output of the below program? Here I have taken 3 arrays. 2 arrays are of type integer and 1 array is of type string. So let me just copy and paste it directly from here till here. Okay, so we want to know what will be the output of the below program. I mean, I need to take these 2 as well. I just missed them. So let me put it. So we just want to know what will be the output of this program. We have taken 3 arrays. 1 array is of type integer, second array is also of type integer, and the third array is of type string. So we are going to provide basically add these 3 arrays into one single array, and we want to see what will be the data type of the final array when it will be combined, right? So array is the combined array, and let us see what has happened. So if you see here, if you have taken anything as a string and you have taken 2 arrays as the integer, then string is going to supersede it, right? So you can see everything has become a string here, right? 40 30, everything has become a string, although there are 2 integer type of arrays. So the string will take over all the other data types which have been taken in your other arrays while concatenating. So this is the answer to this question. Will string type supersede over integer? The answer is yes, right? So the next question is, if I use the data type C and S both with I as data type for separate arrays, then what will be the final type? So this was for the string type, but now we are talking about the character type, right? If we do it for the character type, then what will happen? We already know that a string is nothing but a set of characters. So obviously, if you take the character type here, then obviously this character is going to supersede all the others. So you can see it has become like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4, something like this. It has converted, right? So you can see 1 2 3 4 0, all this has been converted. Okay, so this all has been converted into the character, right? So even if you have written like 40, this 40 has become 4. Only first character of this string has been taken. 10 has become 1, right? So you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. For these two it has added perfectly, and after that it has just taken one character, right? So this you need to remember, and this can be asked in the interview questions or in the aptitude papers. If you are giving any aptitude paper and there if numpy is asked, then in that case this question can be asked, right? This is a good question. In case you don't know about this, you just keep remember it, right? So that is the answer to the third question, which is question number 17. And now we are going to see the 18th question. Create array of heterogeneous data types, which we have created. Could you do that? Yes, we can create. If not, what is the observation? So this heterogeneous is in fact a bit different. So this heterogeneous is something like this. Let me just remove it. I'm just going to remove all this, and if I just remove this data type, and if I give it like 1, and after 1 I am going to provide like v, and then I'm going to provide like my name, because so I have used two data types. One is three data types basically. One is integer, one is character array, and other one is the string, right? And now I'm going to have some other value as well, 119.5, and this is the array I'm going to create. This is an heterogeneous array that I'm trying to achieve here. So but let us first see will it compile or not, right? So let me run it. It has compiled, right? So now I'm just going to print it, print array1. So if I print it, you can see that the first element, which was taken as an integer, that has also been converted into the string, right? And the next element has converted into the character that was already a character, right? And the next one is Vikas, which is already there, and the next one was a float value, and that float value has also been converted into a string. So everything has been converted into a string. So if there is any string, everything else will be converted into the string. So if I write like here 111, then if I run it, then also the 111 will become a string, right? So if you are trying to create an heterogeneous array, and there is one element which is of type string, then all the other elements will be converted into type string. Doesn't matter what was their original type, right? This is the basic understanding of this. So with this particular example, I would like to say thanks to all of you for giving me the support. So please share my videos, and like my videos, subscribe my channel. If you like it, please share it with your friends as well. And I hope you are enjoying these videos, and not only these videos, you will find very useful videos on this channel. So please be there with me, and you will get some exciting contents here. With this, I would like to say have a nice day, and bye bye. Thank you.